Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in with your Apple ID and making sure Notes Sync is enabled. This ensures the notes you export are current. On a Mac, open the Notes app. On any browser, go to Icloud. Com and sign in. Once done, locate the folder or tag that holds the notes you want. Make an immediate selection, single note, or multiple using Shift/CMD, because the next steps depend on that choice, and you want all intended items available before exporting. Now choose the export method that fits your workflow. On a Mac, you can export one note as PDF via File right arrow Export as PDF, or select many and use Print right arrow Save as PDF to batch them. On iCloud, open each note and use the Share menu to save to files or copy into a new document. This gives you control over format. On iPhone or iPad, tap Share, then save to files or mail to move notes off iCloud. Make sure to name files consistently, so you finish by verifying each exported file, open PDFs and attachments to confirm nothing is truncated. Then transfer files where you need them, AirDrop or iCloud Drive for Apple to Apple, USB or cloud for other platforms. Keep a backup copy in a separate folder so you can recover if needed. If notes are missing or not syncing, try toggling Notes Sync off and on, force a sync, or sign out and back in. That often resolves syncing inconsistencies and recovers items before you re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.